We have seen millions of livestock being lost, and depletion of even the precious wildlife that we enjoy and we have benefited for many years, and various other detrimental effects. So to this effect, ensuring climate finance reaches the most vulnerable communities where the devastation effects have really occurred or have been evident is actually very paramount for us. We did sign for the Gazette notice, which should be coming out this week, because I did that on Friday. And as soon as we have that, the resources, and I've seen the schedule, the resources will be provided. But please remember, it is program for performance. We want some results. Performance resources will follow performance. We have managed to secure a total of $297 million to finance this program.
The ministry is going to work and walk hand in hand with your county governments to ensure the success of this program. It is crucial to note that our counties bear the greatest brunt of climate change impact. This is where the rubber meets the road, so to speak. This therefore underscores the importance of counties taking the lead in Kenya's fight against climate change.
Haya, Commissioner wa gĩcigo kĩa Rift Valley Abdi Hassan